Pumasok kayo ng konti doon.
My dear colleagues,
Dulo mo.
chamber, mga mahal kong kababayan. I rise today on a matter of personal privilege with regard to the allegations hurled against me, my colleagues, Senators Juan Ponce Enrile, Ramon Bong Revilla Jr., in relation to the so-called PIDAF.
Wala.
Boss Sam.
I also rise, Mr. President, to tell the untold story of PIDAF, as well as to expose the biases and prejudices against the opposition.
Hindi, kalabit mo lang.
Certain institutions
Anak ni Jojo.
like the media, Commission on Audit,
Sapo.
Department of Budget and Management,
Bumaba ka lang,
Even.
bumaba. Yeah.
the Blue Ribbon Committee. Mr. President, since the story broke on the alleged anomalies involving the Priority Development Assistance Fund, there has been a serialized and obvious concerted effort in the media to demonize it, along with other members of this chamber allegedly involved. Malang telenovela ang paksa sa dula ng PIDAF scam. The media have prominently printed screaming headlines that have serialized reports designed to vilify us before the bar of public opinion. Si Senator Enrile, at si Senator Revilla, at ako, ang tila ba inuulam at pinagpipistehan mula almusal, tanghalian, merienda, at hapunan. Ito po ang ilan sa maligalig na headlines. 50% ang cut ng senators. Cash ang bigay. Pork scam, aabot sa 100 bilyon. 3 billion pork nasa loob ni White Coral. Bong Revilla, booking sa Peru. At ito pa ho, Congress kickbacks. How much for whom? Solons got 50% of pork. 3 senators amassed 581 million in kickbacks. Mr. President, we have been singled out. As our people should know, in the so-called 10 billion peso PIDAF. We have yet to be afforded the opportunity to confront the evidence thrown against us. But sadly, in the eyes of the Filipino people, we have already been marked and portrayed as the worst thieves and scoundrels of the government. And just to belabor and try to prove this point, Mr. President, even the Commission on Human Rights has recognized what is being done to us. Kamakailan lang, kinundinan ng komisyon ang trial by publicity na ginagawa sa mga nasasangkot sa pork barrel scam. On the other hand, Mr. President, Amado Doronillas column may have sadly and aptly predicted where all these may lead to when he wrote, and I quote, "What is endangered in this mass hysteria lasting for blood without going through due process is that we might be laying the ground for the lynching or sending to the gallows of a fundamental principle of constitutional democracy, a fair administration of justice underpinned by the right to be heard or being condemned." Mr. President, ladies and gentlemen, even some of our colleagues here at the Philippine Senate have apparently passed judgment on us. Mr. President, I initially welcomed Senate Blue Ribbon Committee investigation on the PDAF scam. Sa totoo lang po, gusto ko pong dumalo at mag-participate sa pagdinig patungkol sa PDAF. But my lawyers pleaded with me not to. I heeded the advice. Ngunit, bilang pagrespeto pa din sa pagdinig ng Blue Ribbon patungkol sa usapin ng PDAF, I went to the first hearing and personally relayed that I am inhibiting from the proceedings. At kung inyong matatandaan, bago ako nag-inhibit, personal kong pinapatid sa Blue Ribbon ang kahalagan ng kanilang gagawing pag-imbestiga upang makagawa ng batas na tutugon sa isang mahalagang issue katulad ng tamang paggugol ng kaban ng bayan. Kasama po ang PDAF. Nasabi ko po yun sa paniniwalang in aid of legislation po ang gagawing pagdinig. Nagkamali po. Hindi ko naman po pipigilan at wala akong balak na pigilan ang mga resource persons na dumalo at dadalo sa pagdinig na magbanggit ng pangalan kung ito ay kasama sa paglalahad nila ng mga pangyayaring na ayon sa kanilang nalalaman. Ngunit, kailangan po bang ulit-ulitin ang aming mga pangalan na para bang higi o tanga ang mga kausap? O kaya ay parang isang sirang plaka? Pakinggan po natin.
Okay. We have Senator Revilla. Senator Revilla. Senator Enrile. Senator Estrada.
Alin daw?
You are, ma'am, let me state it again. You are very sure of the three senators, Revilla, Estrada.
Mr. President, one of our colleagues, during the course of these investigations, even tried to play to the gallery by making snide remarks while asking the witness about the identity of an alias of a senator involved. Why play this up when there have already been reports in the media on this, and which I had vehemently denied? Why play up this issue? He even referred to a known campaign slogan of a fellow senator. Akalain mo sabihin ko lang, sino yung senador na yun? Ano ba ang slogan na yun? Gusto ko, happy ka? Ano ba ito? Bastusa na ba ito? Alam ko, na alam ng mga taong ito, na sila ang tinutukoy ko. Ang tanging mensahe ko lamang sa mga taong ito ay sa bawat pagturo ninyo ng mapanghusga at mapanghityang daliri o hinututuro ninyo ay apat na daliri ang nakaturo papalit sa inyo. At mahilig din lamang na mag-quote mula sa Biblia ang isa sa mga taong ito na parang isang maamong tupa. Pag nilaya kaya niya ang mga katagang ito, kung sino mang walang bahid ng anumang kasalanan, kayo ang unang pumato sa taong ito. Huwag kayong magmalinis at lalong-lalo na huwag naman kayong masyadong hypocrite.